Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil on a Hyundai Elantra. Park on level ground, gather a drain pan, wrench, new oil and a filter, and let the engine cool. I will guide you step by step through locating the oil cap, draining the old oil, replacing the filter, reinstalling the drain plug, and adding new oil to the correct level. Follow along and ask questions. Start by locating the oil drain plug under the engine and positioning your drain pan directly beneath it to avoid spills. Use the correct sized wrench to loosen the plug and carefully remove it, letting the oil flow out until it slows to a drip. While the oil drains, inspect the drain plug and its gasket, replacing the gasket if it looks worn. This prevents leaks and keeps your seals effective. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and keep updates coming. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading repair manuals and notes in the garage or on the go, with a sharp display and long battery life that makes following steps easier. Check the video description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want one. And now let's get back to the video. Remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench and allow any residual oil to drain into the pan. Before installing the new filter, coat its rubber gasket with a thin layer of fresh oil to ensure a good seal and easier removal later. Thread the new filter in by hand until the gasket contacts the base, then tighten it about 3/4 of a turn more by hand for a proper fit without over-tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.